Hello everyone, your favorite Senso Tech Jedi back with number 12 in this classroom management learning series. Alright, today we're going to talk about end session. Man, I love end session, especially for those teachers that are maybe lab teachers or they have rooms that have a lot of devices in them. This is one of those great tools that allows you to do three different things, but it gives you a lot of options for running these three different session types: log out, restart, or shut down. How awesome is that? To do an entire lab of computers all at once, whether you're in there and you don't want to have to go around and touch each individual one, or you're trying to do this remotely. Please reference, and I will make sure to put a link in the description below, our network management video, because this is one of those tools that is an amazing tool to set on a scheduled policy. Think of this as like a power management tool in that regard, where you could set up a schedule so that it runs it at the end of the day. And because you have so many options that I'm about to describe, it gives the users that may be on site some ways to kind of override that if you choose to do that. Okay, so I'm actually going to switch to a group that just has one of my Windows devices in it, because like I say in all these videos, I'll be very clear with you if this is something that works on both Windows and Chromebooks or just Windows, and this is a Windows specific tool. So on this Windows device, now I'm not in full screen, so if I'm going to run this, I'm going to have to use that checkbox. I always like to reference back other videos to help you learn that there's so many different little ways that you can use Senso. Alright, let's go ahead and go into end session. So like I said, the end session types, the options you have are log out, restart, or shut down. In this instance, we're going to log out. You can allow the user to cancel the shutdown. So maybe this is one of those, like I referenced earlier, a scheduled policy, or you may be remote and trying to shut down a lab. Maybe there's some students working in there or some staff. This gives them the ability to override that or not override this, so that they have, maybe they're working late, you don't want to shut down or log out their device, or you can toggle it off so it forces it, whatever the session type you want to happen. Okay, the next part is you can actually set a time in minutes for this tool to run one of these session types if it goes idle. So in 5 minutes, log it out. In 10 minutes, shut it down. Whichever one of those session types, this is a really great thing to set up and have run on your devices. Again, give it a customized message. It's end of the day, go home. Make sure to save your work. Whatever it is that you want to put in there, that is a customized message that you can display out to your users. You can delay it. Give them some time and they'll get a really nice little countdown timer to save their work, log out, close their windows, do whatever they need to do from the devices that they're working on. Now, allow operation on Windows servers. A lot of our customers have Senso on all of their devices in their tenancy, even servers, so they can remotely monitor and manage them. But you would not probably want to log out or restart or shut down a server. So you can toggle it on and off, so this tool will not run on that, especially if you just select all and possibly have a schedule set against it. You can say, no, don't allow this to run on my Windows servers. And again, save it as a shortcut, especially if you're a teacher that uses this all the time, so that you don't have to come in and select all these. It will make you a shortcut that you click, logs out all your devices. Alright, so this one I'm going to log out. I'm going to allow the user to cancel so you can see what that looks like. Let's give it a customized message. Save your work! Exclamation. And then I'm going to leave it at 60 seconds so you can see what that display looks like for them on the timer. Go ahead and click run. And now you'll see that I'm going to go ahead and go into the bigger screen version of this so you can see this a little bit better. Let's go remote resolution. Let's get crazy here. Ooh, that's going to be hard to get down to, but I'm going to get there. There we go. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm going to hold it there. You have this countdown timer that's letting you know this is how long you have until save your work. Okay, this is being silly, because the remote resolution on these is really, so it was like scrolling around. So you can see that you have a timer, and you can also click cancel. Again, give this for those people that are working late or students that may need a little bit more time to go ahead and save their work. And then it's going to go ahead and log out the device. So let's see what it looks like when it logs out. I'm just going to say 5. We're going to run it. You get to hang out with me for 5 seconds. I feel like it's New Year's, like 3, 2, 1. And there it goes. It's going to go ahead and log out that device. So it will fall out of the portal, but because it's going to go back to new use or no user, excuse me, it will come back into the portal in just a moment and show as online, but there will not be a user on there because you logged them out. Okay, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.